What's going on everyone? Francois here from Sony, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to properly fit the WF-XB700 extra bass truly wireless headphones for your ears. Now let's go check it out. Besides the thumping bass you'll get from the XB700s, one of their best qualities is the fit that they allow you to achieve. That's because it comes with 4 sets of earbuds: large, medium, small, and extra small. A fit for everyone. Now this is important because if you're doing something active and you have an improper fit, this is going to affect the quality of sound of the music that you're listening to. And I don't like that. First, let's try the fit right out of the box. You're gonna have the medium-sized earbud already attached. This might be the perfect fit for you. So make sure you put the appropriate earbud to the appropriate ear. It's gonna be clearly marked by a left and a right tactile dot. So right here I have the left one. I'm just gonna easily slip it in and twist. Now if you're having trouble getting the earbud in, you can always lift up your ear slightly to fit the earbud into your ear. Now, if you notice that they're coming off or the sound quality is not up to standards, you probably have the incorrect fit. So just try another one of the earbuds and repeat the same process. There you have it. That's it. Not only do I get a better quality fit, I get an overall better quality of sound. Now I like that. I hope this video helped you get the perfect fit for your WF-XB700 truly wireless headphones. If you want to learn more about this product or other Sony products, make sure you check out Sony.com. As always, my name's Francois, and I'll see you in the next video.